Good morning, good evening, good night, whenever you guys are watching this channel. First, subscribe. A few people have been asking me, can you make money off of YouTube, off social media? And the simple answer is yes. You know, I've been making a few dollars off YouTube here the last 3 years. And I'm going to show you how I got started because I'm an adjunct welding instructor, plus I'm a certified welding inspector. So I was at the school teaching a CWI prep course. And I went on YouTube to try to find some information about CWI information on part A, B, and C. And it wasn't that much stuff out there. So I created a couple of videos and I noticed that a few people start watching it. And I didn't know anything about monetizing your channel. And then one day I got a message from YouTube saying that I need to enter my bank account information because they owe me like, I think $100. I'm reached the threshold. I said, what in the world is this? So I started doing research and I found out that I had, you know, to get monetized, now you have to have 1,000 subscribers, plus you have to have 4,000 watch hours. But at that time, 3-4 years ago, I think they just monetized you if you had 100 subscribers. But anyway, I did start looking into this and I started making more videos and I started making a little bit more money. And I'm gonna show you in 2020 during the election time around November, I started making a few videos over political things, talking about Trump, Candace Owens, and Hillary Clinton and Joe Biden, just making them. People was very interested in that. My channel is all over the place. I do videos on cooking and how-to videos, and you got to know the season. Like when the election time coming up, maybe in 2024, I probably make a lot of money if I still have my YouTube channel around. But let me just show you, go back in 2020 in October and November during the election time. I'm gonna show you how much I made back then. So if I look at this, my analytics, and you see from October the 19th, 2020 to November, what's that? November the 19th, 2020, a month, I made that much, $9,623 off just ads. This is straight from YouTube, and they deposit that right in your account on the 21st of each month. But just look at this trend right here. You know, this is per day. October the 19th, I made $140. And you can look at this chart. You know, a lot of people start watching my videos, especially on the political stuff. It wasn't the CWI prep information or welding information. It was on politics. And look how it just kept climbing. October the 25th. And this is per day. You look right there on October the 27th, I made $417. And October the 28th, I made $620. It kind of went down a little bit and people got more interested in it. And there I made $725 in one day. That's on October the 30th, 2020. And it goes on and on. You see how it fluctuates. And then on November the 2nd, I made $761. And look how this steep drop. It started dropping and dropping and flattening around at the, I guess, getting close to election. I guess they stopped watching those particular videos on the election. So you notice it's just going down. But just for passive income, residual income, that's really good for 1 month worth of work doing nothing. I'm sleeping. I make the videos and they just start making money. And these particular videos are still making money. It may not make as much as it used to, but if you look at my channel, I probably got over 1,500 videos on how to and different things like that. So you definitely can make money off YouTube. This is just on ads. You know, if I do some reviews for people things, or if I have affiliate links for Amazon. So I make videos on how to do things and put links in the description, and people go to Amazon. If they purchase anything off Amazon, I get 5 to 10% of what they purchase. It doesn't matter what they purchase. Once they log on and within 24 hours, if they purchase something, they could purchase shoes, socks, high heel shoes, it doesn't matter. Whatever they purchase, just long as they went through my link and they purchased something within 24 hours, I get a percentage of what they purchase. So this is making money while you sleep. So just imagine if I was making $700, $800, $1,000 a day, that's $30,000 a month, and it's possible. And I'm gonna show you the videos during the time of the election in 2020. Look at the videos that made the most money. This is for that month. It says Candace Owens and Mike Tyson speaks about things. And you see right there, it made $2,000 for that month. Then this one right here, a young black man speaks about Trump. This around election time. For that month, I made $1,500 for that video. Candace Owens put Chelsea Handler in her spot, something like that. You see, I made $1,000. CNN, Chris Cuomo, $423. How to use the 3M command strips. I didn't think that video would get any views, and I'm still making money off of that particular video. And I made that video. If I click on it, let me click on that particular video, and we'll just look at the analytics for that particular video. Look how much money. This is the total revenue that I made off this simple video on how to use command strips. Look how many views it got. I said maybe this video might get 200 views, and it's almost to 300,000 views. Just look at the analytics on this. Okay, I'm gonna pull my calculator here out on my phone. I'm gonna just show you something here. You see here, these are my top earning contents, my videos. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. These are just the top earners. I got some videos, and this is per month, or 28 days. And I have 1,500 videos. And I have a small YouTube channel with 80, how many subscribers? I think it's 87,000, maybe 88,000 subscribers. Just imagine people with millions of subscribers. But just look at this. I'm gonna just give you an example. This is just one video, and it makes this much every month. Every month. This particular video makes this much every month. And so this is monthly, well, 29 days. Just imagine if all 1,500 of my videos make $69 a month. Let's just do some calculations. 1,500, 1,500 times 69 equals $103,500 per month. You see this? That's if each one of my videos would make $69 a month. And you see it fluctuates. Now $450 a month. Wow, I wish that was possible. It's possible. I know some channels that do. Let's do 1,500 times $451 equals $676,500 per month. If all of my 1,500 videos will make $451. So you can go through this and hit analytics. I'll be happy with this one, right? Like, these are videos that I didn't think nobody would view them. You know, like, how much money are you worth from the government? I just made that video just to be making it. And it's my top ranking videos. You notice that there's no political videos up in the top rankings right now. But when the election time comes around, maybe 2 years from now, you'll see those videos will pop up, and I'll start making more videos about politics. So just imagine, like, this particular video. Let's see. I'm gonna just click on this video. How much money are you worth from the government? I'm gonna just click on it. And you're gonna notice that this particular video, it started making money right there. So I put it up in January, and right now it's been up for about 10 months. You know, as people start watching it, maybe they start sharing it. So in 10 months, I made $5,600 off that particular video. You know, look how many views it got. And like I told you before, I thought it might get 100 or 200 views, but you never know which video may go viral. YouTube, I don't know how they do these things. Some videos that I thought would go viral didn't get nothing but 100 or 200 views. Videos I thought nobody wouldn't view get thousands of views. Crazy. But anyway, the answer to your question is yes. You can make money off YouTube ads. And you can monetize other kind of ways also. But if this video helped, subscribe to my channel. And thank you, and have a great day. Don't forget to subscribe, like, turn on your notifications, and share this video. Also leave comments. Thanks for watching welding and stuff.